dinner is served. Oh goodness, guys, the way I woke up, this is gravy and regularly pepper. I really appreciate it. Oh my gosh, like the way I just needed it. Wait, so oh, that's a perfect cake. That's just spicy. And now for the final. Sugar from the three for the best. That's all you have. And Gatorade. And I'm just gonna be done in a bit. Like time for it. I wrote the zipper on it. So you're invited, guys. You're definitely invited. This is too good. Okay. Just shit the food on myself. I was trying to find the shit that my mom made, but I couldn't find it. So I guess it's what we're eating. My grandma made this kinky and some soup it when they came from the wedding last week. So anyways, enough talking. I'm gonna get to eating. It's hot, but it's good and it's yummy, and I'm ready to eat. Guys, look at the food. Look at the fish. Don't mind, I ate it in the car, but look at the food.
Hey guys, so I have a plan, and organizing my life in this is so much easier. I got it from Burlington for like $12 to 2026. I love it. So try it out. I'm gonna clean up the rest of my room. Had to sleep because I'm really tired. I've been studying. Almost there. I have a psychology and I have a biology exam tomorrow. But we got this. God is faithful. Guys, life is going good. It's not going good, but it is good by the grace of God. So I just want to encourage you, if you're going through something hard right now, God hasn't forgotten you. All things work together for good to them that love the Lord. May it be good or bad, but it's working for your good. I need to clean my desk. I need to make sure my desk is cluttered. Like, look at this. I'm gonna clean it up. This is before.
I choose to be